Hi, thank you for visiting Creative with You. I'm Valerie Garston, and I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. This is a series called Techniques and Tools in 10 Minutes or Less, and today we're going to be looking at the two types of stamps that Stampin' Up offers. So let's go ahead and get started. Stampin' Up has the Photo-Polymer stamps and the cling stamps, but what's the difference? So today I'm going to show you two different stamp sets, the Sending Sunshine and the Dragonfly Garden. The Dragonfly Garden is the cling stamp, and when you get it, it comes like this. You have the stamps on the one side. The back is all of this white. I've already put the sticker on this one, but you get a sheet of stickers also that show you what each stamp is. I'm going to show you now how to get these stickers onto these stamps, and we're going to start with this big one. The first thing you do is you just take it out like this. You take this backing off where you see the foam, and then you come to the sticker side. On one side there's a split in the sticker, and you pull it off. Pull off both of these backings. I do the whole thing. You could do half at a time if you wanted. And then you line this up. Let me move this up. You line this up so that it matches. Once you get the stamp set down, you just pull it up and you have your sticker on the back of it. This is a super sticky sticker, so it will attach, it will adhere to the clear blocks that you need in order to stamp with it. Now, one of the things that is unique about the cling stamps is they have this foam right behind the rubber. That foam gives the cushion needed to give you a really nice stamp. Okay, we're going to put that one aside for just a moment, and we're going to look at the Photo-Polymer stamps. The Photo-Polymer stamps don't need a sticker added to the back. It's just a clear stamp, and you take the clear stamp off of the plastic here, and it adheres directly to a clear block. So there's no foam for the cushioning on these stamps. You can stamp them just like this, or you can go ahead and get a foam piece. This is found with our Stamparatus. So it is on page 164 of the catalog, and it's the Stamparatus foam mat that I'm talking about. And what this does is when you stamp, it gives you that extra cushion to help you get a better image. You can do it without it. I often do, but this does help. Now I'm going to show you how these stamps work. So this is one of our ink pads, and you just lift it up and turn it over. You'll notice that the ink is stored upside down so that you end up with the ink at the top of your ink pad always. So once you turn it over, you push it in like this, and then you can stamp. So we'll get this piece of paper. I'll ink this up. The nice part about the Photo-Polymer is that you can see right through it, so you can see exactly where your stamp is going to end up on your page. Press it down, and then you have your stamp. With the cling stamps, you can do the same thing. Make sure it's inked up really well, and then you can stamp and see how that turns out. So that ends up with a lot of nice detail also. Okay, the last thing I wanted to show you were two options that you have when you're stamping. You do need clear blocks, and our clear blocks come in many different sizes. They're lettered from A to I. And there are various sizes. You can buy them as a whole set, or you can buy them individually, depending on what you feel you need. This one is a D, so right on the side there's a letter that you might be able to see. And then this one is a size E, so this one's a little bit larger. So that is the information on our stamp sets, both the cling stamps and the photopolymer. If you have any other questions, please go ahead and put them down in the comments. Please look for other techniques, tools and technique videos. And please like, subscribe, and share this page, and hit the bell for notifications of new videos. Thank you.